Hello, welcome to Online Parenting Summit 2020. Let me tell you why Online Parenting Summit 2020 is the biggest parenting summit in the country. Online Parenting Summit is so popular because it is completely online. With a regular event, you have to travel to a city, you have to book a hotel, you have to book a flight ticket, and you have to spend much more other than the event ticket to have knowledge from the event speakers. But this event, you get much more knowledge sitting at your home and watching all the videos from the comfort of your home. Plus, you don't have to watch the event live. You get access to all the videos, all the interviews, all the activity sheets so that you can watch it again and again and again. Isn't it amazing? We have more than 45 speakers who are going to address the problems faced by parents in this current times. Problems like my child doesn't listen to me. My child throws a lot of tantrums and I don't know how to control them. How do I make sure that he's good with his spellings, with his grammar, with his maths, etc.? All these answers and many more are going to be answered in Online Parenting Summit by more than 45 experts. Our mission is to give you easy techniques by which you can engage your child without getting stressed, without getting over involved, and without investing a lot of time. The summit is going to be in 9 simple modules which will make you a super parent. First, know your child well. How do you know your child better? Second, how do you know yourself as a parent? Third, how do you make your child a superhero by giving him easy superpowers? Fourth, how do you engage your child without getting over-engaged, without getting overstressed, or without investing a lot of time? Fifth, how to handle difficult and challenging behaviors. Sixth, how to handle extraordinary situations. Seventh, how to communicate with your child so that he listens to you. Eighth, how to design your child's destiny. Ninth, and the most important one is how do you enjoy the entire journey of parenthood. In this summit, there are some speakers who are going to teach you how to do some hands-on experiments in kitchen. Some are going to give you easy tips on how to engage your child without getting stressed or overburdened. Some speakers are going to talk about how to bond with your child and make this entire parenthood journey a memorable one. These are going to be very easy, actionable tips which can be implemented from the very next day. The great thing about this summit is that you don't have to travel to a different city. You don't have to book a hotel. You don't have to book a flight. You can watch this summit at the comfort of your home. You don't have to attend a summit live because you're going to get access of all these videos on our membership portal which you can access throughout the next year. Isn't it amazing? We also have an amazing segment in this Online Parenting Summit. We have some young children who are going to come and share their inspiring stories with us. There are few Turks who have really done well in young ages. We want them to come and actually inspire our children by listening to their stories. We call this Young Turks Talk. So welcome to Online Parenting Summit. I will see you on the other side of the summit. Bye.